Alright, welcome back. Let's quickly separate our arms off into their own layer. Let's call it arms. And yeah, it's down at the bottom where it should be. Let's see here, that's the left arm. That's right arm. Let's go ahead and lock all this. Now let's add another layer called legs. Legs are, like I already said, extremely simple on a short chibi, but kind of stupid simple when you get right down to it. Turn that up. Control-Shift-C. Take the color. Stroke. Stroke is undefined. No, it wasn't. That's okay. Pull these down. A lot like the arm, but we're going to take them out a little bit farther. Mainly on the inside. And I'm going to drag these down. We got to make this leg a little bit longer and a little bit broader. Mainly because he's so broad. So we can adjust later on, but I think that will be good. Alrighty, stroke style 2. Yeah. Do another ellipse. Control-Shift-C. Put it right down there in front. Kind of want it to overlap a little bit. Control-D. Nodes. Or in. Pull that up. No stroke. Turn the fill down to a lighter color. Give it a bunch of transparency. Shine of the boot. I'm not going to adjust these anymore. Go to Select or S. Duplicate that. Take that in the highlight. Right click. Set clip. Doesn't really work because we're doing the inside. So we will be doing the opposite method of the clip. So turn off, duplicate our layer like we already had duplicate, and turn off the fill. And now actually I'm once again going to turn down that stroke size on the outer edge to just give a little bit of a different kind of gradient there. I'm going to give it a little bit more than I did on the arms. And on the leg, select that. I'm going to pull those out. Pull this up. Pull this out. And now I like the leg. Come on. Okay. Select all parts. Let's see, yeah. Control G, right leg. Duplicate. Left leg. Flip it. Drag it over. We got a chubby, kind of masculine chibi. Add some chest hair and other stuff. Okay. He's supposed to be a manly troll, I guess. I don't know. Let's just add another layer to the very top. And I'm going to try to give him a mustache. So let's go here. Here. A lot like a mouth, actually. The kind of mustache we're going for. But more like just like the upper lip. Okay, select those, and select that. Should have everything but the bottom one selected. Go over to the distribute. Distribute them. Now select all the bottom ones. And the end ones again. Distribute. Hey. Come on. Oh. It doesn't want to distribute. I did something wrong there. Let's try that again. The top one. There we go. Now these two, I'm going to select them. And I am going to make them the same height or the same Y. I'm going to select them again so I get the little scale there. And I'm going to pull them up. Now I'm going to pull this one up all by itself. Select all of those. Let's see here. Fill. Yeah, you're going to have a fill. We want this mustache to go any direction. So start off with yellow. And for the stroke, I'm also going to make it a yellow. I'm going to make it a darker yellow. All right. And now I am going to take that one and I'm just going to hold down the shift key and pull that up. Pull it in. Yeah, like that. Okay. Give him the, yeah, the Clue mustache, the Clue, or the Monopoly mustache a little bit. Okay. Select all of it, go back to distribute, select page, center on the page. Should be right under the nose end. All right. And let's see here. Go back to, let's make sure everything's under our layer, which is not other stuff. I'll give it a line right there. And I'm going to really turn the transparency down on that. What size are you? Let's make you 0.35. I want to duplicate it. In the duplicate, I'm going to make 0.25. And this is just another way to do gradients. But you have more freedom when doing this way. And duplicate you again and make you 0.05. You can get a little bit more specific around the curves and stuff on these. Like I can take the entire mustache, duplicate it, turn off the fill, go to the stroke size, turn it down to 0.15. On the transparency, I need to turn that down to about, let's say, 75. And on the previous one, let's see, down there, I also need to turn its stroke transparency down to about 75. And we start getting a beveled edge around it. We can turn that down even lower, actually. Go down to 0.5. Yeah, excuse me, 5. 50. I'll get it. Now jump back up into here and turn this one up to 50. Yeah. So used to working with decimals. Okay, duplicate it again. Go back over the stroke style, 0.05. And we have just a little bit of tone to our mustache. Now, I'm going to Go there, do that. Just turn on the caps on that one and turn it down to 0.05. And so do need kind of both of those. Now give it a stroke paint equal to something like that to our outer line. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Move it over. Go to nodes. Move that. Duplicate it. Move it over. Go to nodes. And you get the idea. Okay, all of them. Pull them over there, flip them and pull them over there. I guess that these all should come all the way to here. It's the beginnings of mustache. With these kind of things, it matters what it looks like from where the player will see them. But what's really, I think, important with this is that we can change that mustache's appearance fairly easy. Don't really have to change the yellow. Guess on this bottom one I could actually do a fill on it. That's why I don't want to. So select the two end lines and join them. And now on that break path, first join them. Pull this somewhere up in there. This up, this down, that up, that down. There we go. And you keep going with that, you will have a decent looking chibi mustache. Green mustache. For our orc feller. Go back to the head. Okay, I'm already over time again. That is our basic Chibi front view. Like and subscribe if you want the side view. I can bring the side view in here. And we also need to edit him down a little bit down here and kind of bring his waist in a little bit. The side view, the 3/4 view are both needed for a game. Unless, I don't know, I guess he could be a merchant or something inside of a store where you only see the front of him. Otherwise, you'll need the side view. If you got something out of this, like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.